Welcome to your Ditmas Park studio apartment. As you enter, you're greeted by a welcoming entry foyer that flows right into your step-down living space. Sunlight fills the room, creating a bright and park-like feel, with plenty of space to comfortably fit both a bed and a living room set. Just off the living space, you'll find a separate kitchen, complete with wooden cabinets, generous storage, and enough room for a small table and chairs, perfect for enjoying meals at home. As you continue through, you'll notice 3 closets providing ample storage, plus a small bonus area that can be used however your imagination allows. Maybe an office nook, a dressing space, or extra storage. Your bathroom is newly renovated, sleek, and easy to maintain. This home comes with heat and hot water included, plus building perks like in-basement laundry and an Amazon delivery security locker for safe and convenient package drop-offs. You'll also appreciate the on-site super and the attentive building ownership. Step outside and you're just moments away from the B&Q trains, Prospect Park, the Brooklyn Zoo, Grand Army Plaza, and all the restaurants, nightlife, and charm that make Ditmas Park one of Brooklyn's most desirable neighborhoods. Highlights: large studio with step-down living area, separate kitchen with dining space, 3 closets plus bonus room, newly renovated bathroom, heat and hot water included, laundry in building plus Amazon locker, on-site super, pet-friendly upon approval. This apartment already has an approved application, but more listings are coming soon. To stay up to date, visit www.U2apartment.com.